الرحمن الرحيم اللهم برحمتك آتنا إيمان كاملا ويقين صادقا ورزقا واسعا ولسان ذاكرا وقلبا سليما وقلبا خاشعا وتوبة نصوحا وتوبة قبل الموت وشهادة عند الموت ومغفرة بعد الموت وعفوا عند الحساب وأمانا من العذاب ونصيب من الجنة فردوس الأعلى وأرزقنا النظر إلى وجهك الكريم. Ya Allah, give us a complete and perfect faith after which there is no disbelief. Give us a complete and perfect certainty in you after which there is no doubt or hypocrisy. Ya Allah, I ask that you give me the kind of iman and taqwa that will keep me firm upon Sirat al-Mustaqim. Ya Rabbi, if anyone in this audience, Ya Rabbi, is suffering from any type of addiction, Ya Allah, stand between them and their addiction. Give them the iman and the taqwa and the strength, Ya Allah, to walk away from that addiction and remove the desire and the craving from inside them, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, if anyone in this gathering, Ya Allah, is in a relationship, in a haram relationship, Ya Rabbi, grant them that which is halal. Grant them that by which they can connect, Ya Rabbi, in a halal way, Ya Allah. Open up the doors of marriage for them. Ya Rabbi, if there's anyone in this gathering, Ya Rabbi, that are suffering in their families, they're fighting, Ya Rabbi, between parents and child, Ya Allah, heal the relationship, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, bless the parents to be more understanding of their youth, and bless the youth to be more understanding of their parents. Bless them to have an acceptance of each other, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, I ask you by your mercy where our sisterhood and our brotherhood has fallen short. Ya Rabbi, give us the qualities and the skills and the realness and the character to be gentle with each other. Ya Rabbi, to be loving toward each other, that we may strengthen each other in this deen and never tear each other down, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, I ask that you remove us from our sadness. We seek refuge in you from sadness and despair and from grief. We seek refuge in you from lack of strength and laziness, from being a coward and from being a thug. We seek refuge in you, Ya Allah, from being stingy. We seek refuge in you, Ya Allah, from the oppression of men and being overpowered by debt. Those, Ya Allah, that are in this room that have a great amount of student debt, Ya Ghani, Ya Mughni, bless them to pay it, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, grant them an abundance from you, Ya Arhamur Rahimin. Ya Rabbi, those of us Muslims and non-Muslims, Ya Rabbi, that are oppressed, Ya Rabbi, we ask that you change the heart of the oppressor, because you can do that. Because la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you remove the hand of the oppressor from this community far, Ya Rabbi, as the east is from the west. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you push him back from us, and that you protect us and our entire lineage, Ya Rabbi, from his destruction, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you undo his plots and undo his plan and discredit his position, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you free our political prisoners, Ya Arhamur Rahimin. Ya Rabbi, we ask that our prisoners, Ya Rabbi, that are locked up, that are wrong, Ya Rabbi, we ask that you give them a second chance and bless them to come back to their communities and be embraced and accepted, and they may be of benefit to their community, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you help our youth. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you help our youth. Strengthen them in iman. Ya Rabbi, envelop them in your love and your kindness, and build a fortress of protection around them, Ya Allah. Ya Rabbi, have mercy on us when the angel of death comes to take our soul, Ya Arhamur Rahimin. Ya Rabbi, have mercy on us when they lower us into the ground. Ya Rabbi, have mercy on us when the angels descend. Ya Rabbi, have mercy on us on the day you resurrect us. Bless us to stand under the flag of La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam. Ya Rabbi, I ask that you give us the courage to live a life of bravery. Ya Rabbi, to live a life of La ilaha illallah. Ya Rabbi, I ask that you give us the courage to live a life that to stand and to represent this deen. Ya Rabbi, bless us to take a drink from the blessed hand of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam at the Hawd. Ya Rabbi, bless us, Ya Rabbi, that you have mercy on us when we stand in front of you at the Mizan and you weigh our deeds. Ya Rabbi, we ask that you bless us to cross the Sirat with Sayyidina Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam and Fatima Zahra. Bless us to enter into Jannatul Firdaus al-Ala, Ya Rabbi, by your tawfiq and your rahmah. Ya Rabbi, I ask that you bless all of those who are suffering from any type of illness. Ya Rabbi, that you heal us. Remove us from speech and character that take us away from you, and grant us speech and character that will bring us near and close to you. Mold and shape us into the believers that you love. Number us amongst those whom you have favored, have guided, and kept firm upon Sirat al-Mustaqim. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala mursalin, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Allahumma ameen. Afwan minkum. Assalamu alaikum.
Coming soon this Ramadan. Enrich your heart with a daily dose of beneficial knowledge